Hello and welcome to this video where I will be showcasing Wireframe, an easy-to-use solution that simplifies the way you display wireframes on your assets and environments within the powerful Unreal Engine. With its innovative features and seamless integration, Wireframe empowers you to efficiently highlight the intricacies of your designs. It is the perfect toolkit to showcase asset wireframe for your portfolio work and to give your project a unique visual quality. Whether you're a beginner seeking to enhance your portfolio, or an aspiring artist looking to add a distinctive touch to your project, Wireframe is the solution. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls, showcasing wireframes on your assets becomes a seamless and enjoyable process that only takes seconds. With Wireframe, you gain access to a suite of 6 exclusive materials meticulously crafted to enhance your wireframe presentations. Each material offers a unique visual representation, allowing you to tailor the wireframe display to suit your specific needs and artistic vision. Furthermore, Wireframe is optimized to ensure that you can maintain a smooth and responsive workflow in small-scale projects and large-scale productions. You can find links to Wireframe in the video description below. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.